So this is the update for Thursday, the 16th of September of 2021. And there was 11 dividend payments today. It's nice. So it added up to 47 cents. And unfortunately, I can't invest any of that until I get a job. I have to sort out all my tax stuff for where I'm living. So I'm not going to invest any of the dividends for the next while because I might have to take it all out. And I'd rather take out a lump of cash. Won't be that much, but maybe the next couple of weeks. I'd rather not sell stock. I'd rather just not invest the dividends for a little while. Anyway, the first one today was Exxon Mobil. Ticker symbol is XOM. It's about $55 per share, closer to 56. And it's a US energy stock in the oil and gas operations industry. So the company's engaged in the exploration, production, trade, transportation and sale of crude oil and natural gas, and the manufacturing, transportation and sale of crude oil, natural gas, petroleum products, petrochemicals and a range of specialty products. So it pays a dividend every quarter. The one I just received was for 73 cents per share, and that's the same as the last one I received. Current dividend yield is 6.6%, but it does have a negative earnings per share at the moment. Number 2 is Walgreens Boots Alliance. Ticker symbol is WBA. So it's trading very close to $50 per share at the moment. It's another US stock, but it's in the services sector, in the retailing of drugs. So it's a holding company that operates through 3 segments, which are retail pharmacy in the USA, retail pharmacy international, and pharmaceutical wholesale. Its current dividend yield is 3.69%, pays a dividend every quarter, and this one was for 40 cents per share, which is the same as the last one that I received. Number 3 is the S&P Global Incorporated. Ticker symbol is SPGI. It's trading for about $454 per share at the moment. It's in the computer services industry of the tech sector. It's formerly known as McGraw-Hill Financial Incorporated, and it's a provider of ratings, benchmarks, analytics and data to the capital and commodity markets around the world. Its current dividend yield is a low 0.68%. It pays a dividend every quarter, and this one I just received was for 65 cents per share. So that's quite a small dividend to get considering how much one share costs. Now this one has changed drastically, but I think they just did a stock split. And I know when a split happens, you get the same amount of money in dividends. But I think because you have more shares, when a stock split happens, it basically turns one of your shares into multiple and drops the price. So you'll end up with more shares, but they'll be worth less than the one that you had before. So 1-to-2 split. If you had $100 stock and it did a 1-to-2 split, you would have 2 shares of the company that are worth $50 each. So as far as I know, the dividend will drop by the same amount, and it appears to, because the last one I got paid was for $1.60 per share, and this one was for 46 cents per share. It seems to have dropped significantly. Anyway, Sherwin Williams. Ticker symbol is SHW. Trading very close to $300 per share at the moment. It's in the chemical manufacturing industry, engaged in the development, manufacture, distribution and sale of paint, coatings and related products. Its dividend yield is another low one, 0.72%. And it pays a dividend every quarter. And as I said, this was for 46 cents per share, whereas the previous was for $1.60 per share. Next is Parker-Hannifin Corporation. Ticker symbol is PH. It's trading for about $289 per share. It's another US stock, but it's in the miscellaneous fabricated products industry of the basic materials sector. It's a manufacturer of motion and control technologies and systems, providing precision engineered solutions for a range of mobile, industrial, and aerospace markets. So it has segments which are diversified industrial and aerospace systems. Those two. Current dividend yield is 1.35%. They pay a dividend every quarter, and this one was for 87 cents per share, but it's the first one that I've received from them. Next is Evraz. Ticker symbol is EVR. So it's on the London Stock Exchange. It's about £6 per share at the moment. Yeah, it's pretty much £6 per share. It's 0.1 of a pence off. So it's a UK-based steel, mining and vanadium business with operations in the Russian Federation, the US, Canada, the Czech Republic and Kazakhstan. So it's in the iron and steel industry. Dividend yield is a high 13.98%. And this one, it pays a dividend twice a year, semi-annually. And this one was for 39.77 pence per share. And the previous was for 14.43 pence per share. So that's the interim is 14 and the final is 39. Next is Unilever. So ticker symbol is UNA. It's based in the Netherlands. And it's in the personal and household products industry. It's a fast-moving consumer goods company. And its segments include personal care, foods, home care, refreshment. Yeah, these are some of the products: Dove, Family Goodness, Heartbrand, Hellmann's, Knorr, Lipton, Magnum, Surf. It operates in over 100 countries, selling its products in more than 190 countries. So dividend yield is not given at the moment, but it pays a dividend every quarter, and this one was for 42 cents in euro per share. It's trading for about €46 per share at the moment. Next is DOW Incorporated. Ticker symbol is DOW. Trading for close to $60 per share at the moment. It's in the chemicals industry, specifically in plastics and rubber. So it's a holding company for the Dow Chemical Company and its subsidiaries. So it has a portfolio of plastics, industrial intermediates, coatings, and silicones businesses, and it delivers a range of science-based products and solutions for its customers in various market segments. Packaging, infrastructure, mobility, consumer care. It has a lot. Dividend yield of 4.43%. And it pays a dividend every quarter. This one was for 59 cents per share, but it's the first one that I've received from them. Next is EuroNav. It was the Euro one. Yeah, ticker symbol is EURN. It's about €7 per share at the moment. It's based in Belgium and it's in the water transportation industry. It's a Belgian-based company engaged in the transportation and storage of crude oil and petroleum products, shipping services, carriage of crude oil in its fleet of large tankers. Its two business segments: operation of crude oil tankers and the international markets of tankers, and the floating production, storage and offloading operations. So dividend yield is not given here, but it pays a dividend, I think every quarter. Yeah, the last one I received was for 2 cents in euro, but this one was 1 cent. So I think it's been cut significantly. Next is Chevron Corporation. Ticker symbol is CVX. So it's about $97 per share at the moment. It's in the oil and gas industry of the energy sector, and it manages its investments in subsidiaries and affiliates. It provides administrative, financial, management, and technology support to the US and international subsidiaries engaging in integrated energy and chemicals operations. Dividend yield of 5.48%, but it does have a negative earnings per share at the moment. Pays a dividend every quarter, and this was for $1.13 per share, which is the same as the last one I received. And the last one for today was the only monthly paying stock, AGNC Investment. Ticker symbol is AGNC, trading close to $16 per share at the moment. It's in the real estate operations industry, and it's a real estate investment trust, or a REIT. So it invests in agency residential mortgage-backed securities on a leveraged basis. Its dividend yield is 8.88%, but it does have a negative earnings per share at the moment. And it pays a dividend every month. This one was for 10 cents per share, and it's the same as the last one I've received. So that was it, 11 dividend payments. Not bad at all. Hopefully it's the same tomorrow. And I can't really invest any income that I get at the moment. It would be pretty irresponsible because I don't have a job. So as soon as possible, I can get back to adding it in. And I had to turn off the €1 a day automatic investment because I've no income. But hopefully it's only a temporary situation. That's it for today. And I hope that this was useful.